What's up guys, today we are going to take a look at the best skateboard for kids in 2022. Is your kid requesting a skateboard? It's a terrific opportunity for kids to socialize with their mates, be active, and acquire new skills. When kids can learn new skateboard tricks, they feel more confident and capable. We've put up this beginner's guide to picking a nice skateboard for your child to assist you to choose a safe and acceptable one. Make sure to check the links in the description box for more information and updated prices. Let's start with the Gonex standard skateboard for kids. This is a fantastic solid construction skateboard that is the correct size and built of the correct material. It is made up of fabric grip tape and has 85 APU cast wheels and 50 mm diameter and 30 mm thickness, which means it is a terrific board that glides smoothly. The ABC7 carbon steel bearings and the 5-inch aluminum alloy trucks are ideal. Gonex skateboards are designed with all skaters in mind, especially youngsters and beginners. Gonex Complete Skateboard might let you focus on perfecting skateboard tricks. It has waterproof and anti-slip, with a high-grade abrasive surface. The skateboard is built of an 11-layer top-quality maple deck with excellent shock absorption and load-bearing ability to provide skaters with a fantastic experience. The maximum load capacity of the Gonex skateboard has 220 pounds. Designed for both beginners and experts, the double-kick center concave construction along with a unique surface provides adequate grip and allows you to master new techniques rapidly. Whether you're an experienced skater or this is your first time, Gonex skateboards attempt to provide you with an incredible ride for demolishing ramps, smashing stairs, or enjoying easy strolls. Kids, teenagers, and adults will appreciate its adaptability and comfortable ride. I hope you're enjoying this excellent kids Gonex skateboard. SWOOKRAYS Electric Skateboard is at number 2 on our list. This skateboard has a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control that allows you to move forward, backward, accelerate, and brake. Its control distance may be extended to 14 meters. It's built of a 7-layer rock-hard maple deck that's more flexible, sturdy, and long-lasting. It is capable of withstanding all types of stamping impacts without distortion. The deck of the SWOOKRAYS has a noticeable tail at the rear and is concave rather than completely flat. This design aids in keeping equilibrium when cruising. A 350-watt engine beneath offers adequate power to accommodate riders weighing up to 176 pounds, and customers indicate that it still functions effectively in the higher reaches of that limit. There are 3 speed settings available, with a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour on low, 9 miles per hour on medium, and 13 miles per hour on high. The low speed is ideal for newcomers, while the high speed is sufficient for most teenagers. The portable remote is comfortable to handle for both right and left-handed people. The SWOOKRAYS take up to 2 hours to charge, which is very usual, but you only get 5 kilometers on a fully charged battery, which is quite short. Every part of this skateboard has been designed to provide you with the finest riding experience possible. Overall, the skateboard has a rather simple design and look, with no standout features. ANDRIMAX Skateboards is at number 3 on our list. This 31-inch lengthy and 8-inch broad double-kick skateboard is an excellent beginner board for children of all ages. If you buy one for your 10-year-old, it should last them far into their teens because it is rated for up to 220 pounds. It offers sturdy safety, shock resistance, high toughness, and weight load. The double-warp design makes it easier to do more complicated skate tricks such as sharp turns, pivots, slides, and street skating. Each wheel has 2 high-speed silence professional bearings, and its large wheel is suitable for all types of roads and ultra-long journeys. ANDRIMAX skateboards provide more stability and comfort because of their durable painting aluminum alloy truck. Its waterproof emery non-slip grip tape provides high friction, is simple to use for many types of movements, and is anti-slip for added safety. Because hot transfer printing is both flexible and long-lasting, there will be no fading. However, the top of the deck's grip layer is believed to be particularly long-lasting. Don't only play games at home, go out for some fun, and exercise with ANDRIMAX skateboards, which provide a very smooth ride for your beloved child. Swagskate Electric Skateboard is at number 4 on our list. The Swagskate NG3 Kids Electric Skateboard is ideal for young riders who wish to learn to ride without the need for a remote. Because there is no wireless remote, the board does not include manual speed controls. This skateboard contains smart sensors that can detect when you're on board, and the onboard smart sensors manage all of the movement and braking. The intelligent sensors make it simple to ride and start with a push. It is also the finest electric skateboard for individuals looking for something compact and lightweight. The Swagskate NG3 electric board has a single 100-watt hub motor with a peak speed of 15 km per hour and the ability to travel up 5% inclines. The battery has a range of around 10 km on a single charge and takes about 90 minutes to completely charge. It is compact, with 72mm polyurethane wheels and a weight of about 3.5 pounds. The deck is 8.9 inches wide and built of ultra-dense polypropylene. This material is extremely robust while remaining flexible for easy handling and stress absorption. This skateboard can withstand a maximum weight of 60 kilograms and has rear-mounted LED indicators. The Swagskate NG3 Kids electric skateboard represents excellent value, even if this is your first electric skateboard. It has just enough power to travel about with ease while still providing nice stability. The cruise technology is fantastic, but it might take some getting used to. Magneto Mini Cruiser Longboard is at number 5 on our list. This ultra-portable yet robust board is intended not just to be enjoyable to ride but also to be easy to transport while you're on the road or anywhere. It includes an asymmetric twin kicktail design that allows you to practice all of your favorite tricks, including manis, ollies, flip tricks, and general tic-tacking. Asymmetric front and back kicktails provide a distinctive directional surf-style appearance while preserving exceptional skateboard performance. This natural-looking board is made of 6 layers of attractive and durable Canadian maple, with a sand grit finish on top to ensure stable foot grip and control. The board displays the maple deck as well as the distinctive designs. With a length of 27.5 inch and a wheelbase of 18 inches, this skateboard is a thrill to ride, with enough room for your feet on top of the deck. It has high-quality, gravity-cast aluminum, top-mounted Paris-style trucks that are both durable and dependable. The top-mounted trucks have a 5-inch hanger and a 55-degree kingpin angle, and the wheels and bushings are made of high-grade SHR polyurethane. There are no plastic elements on this skateboard. This mini skateboard is extremely easy to skate, carry, and store during the day. The Magneto Mini Cruiser is a terrific choice for everyday skating because it is large enough for enjoyment yet compact enough to tote everywhere. I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel to see more videos. If you have any questions about these products, tell me in the comments below and I will reply as soon as I can. See you guys later.